Welcome to another showdown between two popular water softener brands. In the blue corner, we have the Puronics water softeners NSF44 certified to remove hard water. Its EPA-registered silver-infused media prevents bacteria from growing inside the tank. But there are some serious downsides, no transparent pricing and even lawsuits in the past over defective units. And in the red corner, it's the SpringWell SS1, which uses demand-initiated regeneration to remove hard water problems. It offers transparent pricing, proven test results, and strong customer reviews to seal the deal. So in this video, we'll compare both these systems on hard water removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage to find out which one is actually worth the money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1. Softening efficiency. Puronics comes equipped with WQA certification against NSF44 for water softening, and its media is EPA registered and contains silver particles that inhibit bacterial growth inside the filter. It also includes bacteriostatic carbon media to reduce chlorine and chloramine. But here's the catch. You can't buy Puronics directly online. You're forced to book a free water test for a customized package that often comes with inconsistent and inflated pricing, predatory financing, and pushy sales tactics. Meanwhile, SpringWell brings proven results to the table. Their SS1 softener uses 10% cross-linked resin designed to withstand chlorine damage. Lab testing confirms its softening performance, and while the system as a whole isn't NSF certified, it does use certified components. If you choose the SpringWell combo system, you also get a KDF and carbon filter, which removes chlorine and improves taste. On top of that, SpringWell delivers transparent pricing right on their website and tons of positive customer reviews. Users praise softer clothes, cleaner dishes, and no more soap scum or staining. SpringWell is the winner in this round. Both systems soften water, but SpringWell backs it up with transparent pricing and happier customers. Round number 2. Water flow rate. Puronics claims their systems can provide healthy water for up to 2 million gallons. But their residential units range between 23,000 to 35,000 grain capacity, which can fall short for homes in regions with very high hardness levels. Flow rate is advertised between 5 to 15 gallons per minute, which should be fine for most families. But poor installation complaints are fairly common, and that can ruin performance right out of the gate. SpringWell, on the other hand, gives you clear choices. You can pick between 32,000, 48,000, and 80,000 grain capacities. So the system can handle everything from a small household to a large family home. Flow rates scale up with each size too, 11, 13, and 20 gallons per minute, which makes even high-demand households not notice a drop in pressure. Again, SpringWell is the winner in this round due to its transparent specs, multiple size options, and high flow rates. Round number 3. Ease of installation. With Puronics, installation is usually handled by the dealer and often bundled into the purchase price. That sounds convenient, but in practice, it's hit or miss. While some buyers do report smooth dealer installs, many complain about poor installations leading to leaks, murky water, or even system failures. SpringWell, on the other hand, gives homeowners flexibility. You get a detailed manual and video guide, so if you're handy with plumbing, you can handle it as a DIY project. If not, a licensed plumber can easily do the job. Once installed, turn on the water to your home and carefully inspect the shutoff valve for any leaks. SpringWell is the winner in this round too, for its user-friendly setup and clear instructions. Round number 4. Ease of maintenance. Puronics systems do come with easy regeneration settings on the water control head. It offers demand-initiated regeneration, which minimizes the amount of brine and water used during operation, helping save both water and salt. Maintenance is pretty minimal. You'll only need to top up the salt occasionally. However, the carbon media needs replacing every 112,500 gallons or every 12 to 18 months. Puronics service can be frustrating. Dealers have charged nearly $198 just to send a technician, even for issues still under warranty. While some do report good service, SpringWell, by contrast, keeps things simple. You can easily program the regeneration settings and backwash times directly through SpringWell's mobile app. Maintenance is minimal, just top up salt every month or two. The system also includes a battery backup to keep your settings safe during power outages. The sediment pre-filter needs to be replaced every 6 to 9 months at a cost of around $40 per year. There's a tie in this round as both offer minimal maintenance for their softener systems, but maintenance for the Puronics carbon filter can be a headache. Round number 5. Warranty and customer support. Puronics offers a limited lifetime warranty against defects, but here's the issue. Many customers say the company doesn't honor it. Complaints pile up about unresponsive support, and dealers have filed lawsuits over defective softener units. SpringWell, on the other hand, offers a limited lifetime warranty too, but their customer support is responsive and resolves complaints. With all said and done, here's our final verdict. Despite being NSF 44 certified for softening, Puronics systems fall short of SpringWell when it comes to pricing transparency and customer satisfaction. Have you used Puronics systems? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. And for another detailed clean water guide, check out this video next.